10. Exercise number 8.2, question number 8. The mean and standard deviation of marks obtained by 40 students of the class is 3 subjects: mathematics, science and social science are given below. See, the mean and standard deviation of 3 subjects is given. The mathematics mean is 56, standard deviation is 12. Science mean is 65 and standard deviation is 14. Social science, the mean is 60 and the standard deviation is 10. Which of the 3 subjects shows highest variation? Highest variation means biggest difference, that is the variation. Variation means difference, biggest difference. And which shows lowest variation in marks. In marks, which is having the highest difference and which one having the less difference, we want to find out. Here, the highest variation means the coefficient of variation is greater, means then we have the highest variation. Here, highest difference, and the coefficient of variation as less means that is we have lowest difference, that is lowest variation. Let's see the sums. By the given data, let me take it as the first one subject as mathematics. For mathematics, the mean x bar is given as 56. The max standard deviation is 12. That is, standard deviation is sigma is equal to 12. Now we want to find the coefficient of variation. Let me know the formula. CV is equal to sigma divided by x bar into 100% is the formula. Now we apply the value. Sigma is equal to 12 divided by x bar is equal to 56 into 100. Now we multiply this 100 with 12, we get 1200 divided by 56. Now we want to divide the term. 1200 is divided by 56. 56 2s are, we get 56 2s are 2 6 are 12, 2 remainder 1, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. So we get 8. 120 minus 112 is 8, and then 80. 80 we have only one times, that is 56. Then we subtract, we get 4 2 24, and then put point, add on 0. Here we have 4 times is possible, that is 4 6 are 24, 4 remainder 2, 4 5s are 20 plus 2 is 22. Then 6 1. Already we have 1 point, so we can add on 0. 160 we have 3 times. 18, remainder 1, 15, and then 16. 3 6 are 18, 8 remainder 1, 3 5 15, 1, 16. So 3 times is not possible, so we take it as 2 times. 2 means 112. When you subtract this, we get 8. 5 minus 1 is 4, 48, and then add on 0. Here we get 8 times is possible clearly. 5 8s are 40, 0 remainder 4, and then 6 8s are 48, 8 remainder 4, 5 8s are 40 plus 4 is 44. So we get that value as 21.428. We take it as 2 decimal places. The coefficient of variation is 21.43 for mathematics. Next we want to find the coefficient of variation for science. Science, the mean is given as, mean x bar is given as 65 and standard deviation is 14. So mean is 65 and then standard deviation, it is sigma is equal to 14. Now the coefficient of variation is equal to sigma divided by x bar into 100% is the formula. Now sigma is equal to 14 divided by 65 into 100. Then we multiply, we get 1400 divided by 65. Now divide this term. Let's divide here. That is 1400 is divided by 65. We get 2 times 130. Then remainder 1, 10, and then 0. 65 ones are 65. The remainder is 35. So put 1 point and add 0. Now divide this, we get 5 times 5, 6 are 30, right? 5 5s are 25, remainder 2, 5 6 are 30, 32. Again when you subtract this we get 5 2. Already we have point, so we can add 1 0. Now here we have 3 times only possible. 3 5s are 15, 5 remainder 1, 3 6 are 18, 1 19. When you subtract this we get 5, and then 14 minus 9 is 5, 55, 550 we get clearly. 8 times 8 6 are 48, 8 5s are 40, 0 remainder 4, 8 6 are 6 8 are 48, 48 plus 4 is 52. So we get 21.538 something, so 21.54. Let me take it as coefficient of variation of the signs is 21.54. Let's see the social science. Here we have social science. The mean is given as x bar. Mean x bar is equal to 60 and standard deviation sigma is equal to 10. Coefficient of variation, we know the formula sigma divided by x bar into 100. Then sigma is equal to 10 divided by 60 into 100. Right? If you multiply, we get 1000 divided by 60. So 1010 is cancelled. So 100 is divided by 6. 6 ones are 6, remainder 4, 40. Right? 6 6 are 36, remainder 4. And then we put 1 point and add 0. Again 40 40 means we get 6 6 6 6 something, right? Again we get 36, again we have 4 and then 40. So we get 16.6666 like this. So 16.666 can be written in the form of 16.67 as the coefficient of variation of social science. Now compare all the coefficient of variation. Now see the maths, science and social science coefficient of variation. Here which one has the more coefficient of variation is the highest variation. See 21.43, 21.54, here 16.67. So this is the more coefficient of variation compared to these two. So science shows highest variation, therefore science shows highest variation. So coefficient of variation is more, means then it has a more difference, that is highest variation, right? And then here compared to these two, this is the smaller one. So the social science shows lowest variation. So the coefficient of variation is less, so it shows the lowest variation, lowest difference in the among the three. Thank you, students.